Hello, my name is Lucius, and this is my video for tutorial number 2 for computer science 2406. Here we have problem 3, 4, and 5 that I will cover. So first of all, there's problem 3, read file async.js. The goal is to make this come out. So basically, you want the chords to be displayed on a line above where the lyrics are supposed to be displayed. And yeah, so let's do this. Node file read async.js. Perfect. There we go. On to part 2, problem 4. Here we are going to print out the text, I suppose, for the song using this parse chord pro format function. This is what it's supposed to look like when I open it up on the localhost server. So let's run this actually. Node server.js. Here it is. And local. Okay, now let's do peaceful, easy feeling. That's the song. Here is exactly what it shows here. Perfect. Now, let's close it up. On to part 5. Here we have to add the styling format, and it's supposed to look like this. But then we also add this spanning tag where we have to display the chords in a different color. So I will uncomment these. This is uncommented. I should comment this out and uncomment these. Whoopsies. There we go. And here we go. Let's save these two. Let's run server.js again. Localhost. As you can see, the background also changed color. Easy feeling. And there we are. This is what it's supposed to look like for peaceful, easy feeling. Awesome. Thank you so much.